In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn blurry photos into 4K with Nano Banana. We'll do this directly inside Google Gemini, keeping the process simple while delivering crisp, high-resolution results. If you want to follow along, feel free to pause at any time. Start by opening Google Gemini in your browser. On the main page, find the section labeled Tools and click it to open the Creative Utilities. From there, choose Create Image. This is the workspace where we'll guide Gemini to enhance your blurry photo through a clear, focused prompt. On the Create Image screen, click the plus icon to add media, then select Upload Files and choose the blurry photo you want to fix. Bigger originals usually upscale better, but even small images can see meaningful improvement. Once your photo appears in the workspace, click into the prompt area beneath it. Your wording here is what tells Gemini exactly how to process the image, so clarity matters. Type a concise, descriptive prompt. A solid starting point is use Nano Banana to upscale this photo to 4K 3840 by 2160. Sharpen fine details, reduce noise, preserve natural texture, realistic skin tones, and the original composition. Avoid over-smoothing and halos. Output a clean, high-quality result. Tailor the language to your subject. For portraits, mention keeping pores, eyelashes, and individual hair strands while avoiding plastic skin. For landscapes, emphasize foliage detail, legible text on signs, and minimal color shift. If there's motion blur, ask for a smart deblur that keeps the scene natural. The key is to be specific about what to protect and what to enhance. When you're happy with the wording, click Submit and give it a moment to process. When the result appears, zoom to 100% to judge sharpness, edges, and textures accurately. Inspect common trouble spots, eyes, hair, fine patterns, or small text to confirm they're cleaner without odd artifacts. If anything looks too crunchy or too smooth, return to the prompt, adjust your instructions, and submit again. Phrases like reduce sharpening intensity, retain grain, or maintain original colors can quickly steer the output in the right direction. Small prompt tweaks often make a big difference, so iterate until it feels natural and true to the original. And that's the workflow. Open Gemini, go to Tools, pick Create Image, upload your blurry photo, craft a precise prompt that calls Nano Banana for 4K upscaling, submit, review, and refine. With a couple of quick iterations, you'll turn soft, low-detail shots into clean, detailed 4K images while keeping them authentic.